Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. So in this tutorial I'm going to show how to enable or disable your quick heal antivirus security system. So friends, if you are new to my channel, please make sure to subscribe to my channel down below and then press the bell notification to get daily updates from my channel. So friends, let's start directly through the video. So friends, I would like to tell you that firstly, if you like the video, please make sure you comment on the video what you understood in the video. So let's start directly through the video without wasting our time. So let's start. So friends, follow my mouse as I'm moving the mouse also. So firstly, you go to the right hand bottom settings. In here show hidden icons, follow the mouse and then click on the antivirus option in here. So right click on it and then set disable virus protection. So after you click on disable virus protection, you see quick heal message has been pop up. So turning off virus protection is not recommended, it's already warning you, but for your own good you can simply permanently disable the option in here from here. So friends, this is how you simply disable the antivirus. So thank you for watching the video. If you like the video, please make sure to comment, like, share and subscribe to my channel down below and then press the bell notification to get daily updates from my channel. So friends, let's meet up in another video. Thank you.